how to change target priority and honor of kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see this settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in this settings interface. Here on the left, there are different options available. So here I'm tapping on controls. So we are in this control settings. Here you'll be able to customize different control. Now slowly scroll down. Here there will be a section called basic attack target priority. So here there are different options available. So you can select the one that you want to. So it's according to the player preference whom they want to target or have the priority. So here you can select nearest unit, lowest absolute health and lowest health percentage. So you can customize and select it and it will be saved. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.